Hello friends, this video on 3-dimensional geometry part 23 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 22. Let's take one more example. We have in vector form. So we have to find the equation of the plane, which is, this is one plane, this is another plane, and this passes through this point. Same thing here, we'll say equation is nothing but add these 2 points to the lambda r dot 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus lambda into r dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k, right, is equal to 7 dot lambda into 9. You multiply the whole thing with lambda, this guy with lambda, and you add. That's all I have done. Right, this is called lambda 9. You added this. So with this you solve, you get r dot 2 plus 2 lambda I plus 2 plus 5 lambda j cap plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda k cap is equal to 7 plus lambda 9. Correct? We are told that one point is 2, 1, 3, that r is 2, 1, 3, that is r is 2i plus j plus 3 k cap is 1 point. So this dot this, that is 2 plus 2 lambda I 2 plus 5 lambda j cap minus 3 plus 3 lambda k cap is equal to 7 plus 9 lambda. You solve this, 2 into this becomes 4 plus 4 lambda, 1 into this becomes 2 plus 5 lambda, 3 into this becomes minus 9 plus 9 lambda, right? This is nothing but 7 plus 9 lambda. Gets cancelled. So what you get is 4 plus 2 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 5 9. Lambda is equal to 7, or you get lambda as 7 plus 3 10 by 9. So you got the lambda of 10 by 9. So my equation is this, as I told, right, this guy. So let me put this in this equation now actually. So this is nothing but r dot 2 plus 2 lambda 2 into 10 by 9 I plus 2 plus 5 lambda 2 plus 5 into 10 by 9 j cap plus minus 3 plus 3 lambda 3 into 10 by 9 k cap is equal to 7 plus lambda into 9, that is 9 into 10 by 9. So you solve this, what you get is r dot 38i plus 68j plus 3k is equal to 150, and that's what you get. You solve this, you'll get the same value. Correct? Let's take one more example of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. This is a little different. Here it says that you have to find the equation of the plane, that is intersection of this and this, and perpendicular to this. So first thing we'll do, this equation is nothing but this plus lambda into this, that is we get x plus y plus z, right, minus 1 plus lambda into this guy 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. This is my equation of the plane. But I have to find the value of lambda. To find the value of lambda, you have to use this equation. This equation says this plane is perpendicular to this plane. Correct? So let's solve this. So this equation you get is 1 plus 2 lambda x plus this become y is 1 plus 3 lambda y, 1 plus 3 lambda y, z is 1 plus 4 lambda z, z is equal to 1 plus 5 lambda. See, This is my one equation of the plane, and the other equation of the plane is given this guy, that is x minus y plus z is equal to 0. So if this direction ratios are a1, a2, a3 here, and this guy is b1, b2, b3 here. So let's suppose this guy is a1, a2, a3, and this guy is b1, b2, b3. So since they are perpendicular, I know that a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 has to be equal to 0. So what is the value of a1? 1 plus 2 lambda. 1 plus 2 lambda. a2, this is a1 b1 plus a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 has to be 0. Correct? a1 b1, a2 b2 and a3 b3 has to be 0. So a1 into b1 is this guy 1 plus a2 is 1 plus 3 lambda into b2 is what? Minus 1 here. a3 is 1 plus 4 lambda and b3 is 1, has to be equal to 0. You solve this, you get lambda is minus 1 by 3, and that's you got the answer. You have lambda minus 1 by 3. You put this in this equation. This equation you can put this guy. So what you get is 1 plus 2 into lambda, that is minus 1 by 3. The whole thing is x plus 1 plus 3 into lambda, that is minus 1 by 3. The whole thing into y plus 1 plus 4 into lambda, that is minus 1 by 3. That is z is equal to 1 plus 5 into lambda, that is minus 1 by 3. Correct? So if you solve this, this becomes 1 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3x, plus this becomes y becomes 0 y, plus z is 1 minus 4 by 3, that is minus 1 by 3z, minus 1 by 3z is equal to 1 minus 5 by 3, that is (1 minus 5 by 3), that is 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Or if you solve this further, this is nothing but x minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. And that is my answer. Not a difficult question. This part was known to us. The only part was different was here it was told that the plane which we got is perpendicular to this plane. So with that condition we found the value of lambda, that is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 has to be equal to 0. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.